Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wenes Lekonek Juma, and usually the nickname is Paula Banks. And I love it, alright? Today we are going to learn another episode teaching about a subtopic that is information literature. And one, we are going to learn about the introduction to such strategy. And I wish you to be, maybe you be attentive to this topic because it's going to be brief so that we can learn more about it. And I'll give you detailed one, but you go and search for more information in case next time you want to add. Let's go. We have what we call the maybe the first part is introductory, and then so we go to the next slide. What is a search strategy? A plan to find a reliable information efficiently, like that defines your questions and identify the keywords, choose the right source. Like maybe there are some sources where you feel like the information is not right about it, and you choose it. Identify the keywords that maybe what you're looking for and that what the meaning of the term defines your question too. That is how what you mean by search strategy. You go to the next. Define your questions. Like for one, define your question. What's your goal? What do you want about? Okay, like what do you want to search about it? To makes you feel like you should know a content about it. Like me, I can mean to search the maybe I want to know more about what a Valentine is, and I search. I go to I start and say, be specific. Like what do you want? Be specific about that space. That point where you want to focus on, and the second is focus on the key aspect. Like maybe they can give you maybe detailed information. You leave along other, you focus on the other key aspect. So you go to the other. Pick key words and sources. Use related terms, e.g., global warming and other weather patterns. Take sources like global scholars and academic journals and so on. That is what we mean by pick sources and so on. We go to the next slide. Such techniques. Such techniques are actually, this is running up, and I'll tell you later. Levels up your search by using operators like and or O that we have used. We are going to look for them in other movies, or maybe you have looked for them, so you search about it, like the balloon operators and so on. We go to the next slide. Next slide. Define, refines, and evaluate. Narrow down results and checks feasibility of the source. So defines you like narrows, brings you to closer to that meaning of the word, and it gives you confidence, like a credit to feel like indeed I've searched for the right information. We go to the next slide. Examples of search. Put it all together and connecting everything. For example, we have the plastic pollutions effects on Lake Victoria, and everyone has seen it. And so Lake Victoria is there, you know exactly. Me, I can't say that it's very hard to know. Me, I know Lake Victoria is, and go and search about it. You can do your research. And that is the end of the slide for today's episode. So for next, let's be attentive and watch the video till the end so that you can learn about what the video is all about. And so it gives you also confidence, maybe in case a friend of it asks you a vacation, you can be able to defend yourself, like keywords, pick sources, related terms, and so on. Like define your questions and so on. What's your goal? And be specific and so on. That you have looked for them at that point at the first time. So and so on. We have the define and evaluate. Narrows down the result and check the visibility of the source. It brings also the person, the author, the citer of that thing, and you can give it different because so many people in this world are after information, looking at how to explain things and can be able to cite it. So I give it courage that you be interested in my video so that next time when I'll upload some more like this, you'll be able to get my notification. And please, always in my videos, I do say, don't forget to like, don't scroll. Why is hurrying? This is Africa. We have to scroll, like the video, and comment for more because update that comes out from you is the best. Because I don't know what you're looking for at this moment, but I wish you could tell me what you feel about how I am teaching and whether it is interesting or what. Give me a tick out of it If they go and choose something, but don't be there shy, like, this guy has started. No, let's continue with that routine of nowadays. So thanks for the time and I wish you the best.